Are you struggling with weak, breaking nails that never grow and even turn yellow? I've been through the same. But with a simple natural routine, believe it or not, my nails became longer, stronger, and healthier in just 3 days, and you can do the same. In today's video, I'll share the simple natural routine that made my nails longer, stronger, and healthier. No costly products, just easy tips. If you're tired of weak, yellow nails, stay tuned. These tricks will change your nail game. Let's dive in. 1. Shape your nails. Shaping your nails is important because it decides how strong and neat they'll look. If nails have rough or uneven edges, they break more easily. The best way is to use a soft nail file and always move it in one direction only, not back and forth. Choose a shape that suits your lifestyle. Round or oval, best for weak nails because the smooth edges don't snag or break easily. Square or squoval, look neat and stylish, still strong. Squoval is safer since corners are slightly rounded. 2. Olive oil plus lemon juice for nails growth. When you mix olive oil with lemon juice, you get the perfect balance. Olive oil deeply moisturizes and strengthens weak nails, while lemon juice removes yellow stains and makes nails look shiny and clean. Together, they help nails grow faster, healthier, and stronger. How to use. Mix 1 teaspoon olive oil with a few drops of lemon juice. Warm it slightly, optional, for better absorption. Massage into nails and cuticles for 2 to 3 minutes. Leave it on overnight. Wear cotton gloves if you like, or rinse after 15 to 20 minutes. Do this daily or every other night, and within a few days your nails will look brighter, stronger, and less likely to break. 3. Push back cuticles. Your cuticles are the thin layer of skin at the base of your nails. They protect new nail growth, so you should never cut them. Instead, gently push them back. It makes your nails look longer, neater, and helps them grow healthier. How to do it. Soak your fingers in warm water for 2 to 3 minutes to soften the cuticles. Take a cuticle stick and gently push them back. Apply a little oil or hand cream afterward to keep the area hydrated. Do this once a week. Overdoing it can irritate the skin, but gentle care makes nails look cleaner and grow better. 4. Garlic for fast nail growth and strength. Garlic is packed with selenium and sulfur compounds that naturally strengthen nails and boost growth. It also has antifungal properties, so if your nails turn yellow or get weak from infections, garlic can really help. How to use it. Take 1 fresh garlic clove, cut it in half, and gently rub it directly on your nails for about 1 to 2 minutes. Leave the juice on your nails for 15 to 20 minutes, then wash off with mild soap. Do this daily for 5 to 7 days, and you'll notice your nails feel harder and less likely to break. In just a few days, nails look shinier, feel stronger, and break less. With consistency, garlic helps nails grow longer naturally. 5. Oil massage for strength. Honestly, this is my favorite part. Take a drop of olive or coconut oil and gently massage it into your nails and cuticles. Do this twice a day, morning and night. It hydrates your nails, stops peeling, and makes them look naturally shiny. Within a few days, you'll notice they don't feel dry or brittle anymore. 6. Fix the yellow look. If your nails look yellow, soak them in fresh lemon juice for 5 to 10 minutes. Lemon is a natural bleaching agent that gently removes stains. After soaking, wash your hands and apply a little coconut oil to keep your nails from drying out. Do this once or twice a week for fresh, bright nails. 7. Exfoliating nails. Just like your skin, your nails also build up dead cells and stains on the surface. Exfoliating helps remove that dull layer so nails look brighter, smoother, and shinier. How to do it at home. Mix 1 teaspoon sugar plus a few drops of olive oil or honey. Gently rub this scrub on your nails and cuticles for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and apply hand cream or oil. Do this once a week only. Too much exfoliation can make nails thin. 8. Vaseline for nails. Vaseline locks in moisture, making nails and cuticles soft, hydrated, and less likely to break. Just massage a thin layer on your nails before bed, and you'll wake up with smoother, healthier-looking nails. 9. Protect from water damage. Most people don't realize water is the biggest enemy of nails. When your nails keep soaking in water and then drying, they expand and shrink, which makes them weak. So if you're washing dishes, doing laundry, or even cleaning, wear gloves. And after every hand wash, just put on a little hand cream. This one small habit makes a huge difference. 10. Feed your nails from the inside. No matter how much oil you use, your nails need fuel from the inside too. Add more protein to your diet, like eggs, chicken, fish, lentils, or beans. Nuts and seeds are amazing too because they have biotin, which supports nail growth. And of course, don't forget water. Dehydration shows up in your nails faster than you think. If you follow these small habits, within just 3 days your nails will already start to look healthier, stronger, and a little longer because they'll stop breaking and peeling. So guys, that's how I got longer, stronger nails in just a few days. Try it and see the difference. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.